exercise that you're having again?
This is our chili contest.
It's not showing.
And this.
It's not showing the camera.
And this, I'm gonna eat this side. She's gonna eat it. She's gonna eat that side.
Okay.
So let's do it. I'm doing. Oh my god, it's still hot.
Don't touch your eyes. Don't touch your eyes.
The outfit tastes like pepper.
No, we'll taste better for you. We'll taste better.
Okay. Yeah, it is. Okay, that's better.
Mum, you wasn't right. Because we'll taste the best.
Right, I'm gonna eat a seed. Then I'm gonna
Come on, this is dragging on a bit now.
So,
Just take a bowl.
chew it.
Just take a bowl. It's 2 minutes long already for this video.
I need a bowl. No, I need a bowl.
I've got a bowl here.
No.
I've got a bowl here.
Mum,
What's
Daddy.
Water.
Ew. Ew.
Is that not such a good idea now? Mind your hair in that fan, please.
Water is the best. It really is.
You're right, Will.